Hi there. Thanks for emailing me about your Chapter 2 work in our class together. I can see a couple recommendations that I want to make right off the bat before we change the theme. So on the copy of the spreadsheet sent to me, the fill color for B4 through what did we do? We did it through B4 through J4. That fill color, I think needs to be updated. So that's the first thing I'm going to recommend we do is maybe revert that back to the color that we applied in class, which was this color, gold accent 4. Oops, not that one. Lighter 40%. There it is. And I see you applied it correctly because it appears in cell A4. I'm going to go ahead then and do the same thing for A5 through A25. I'm going to apply that same color. And then like we did in class, we're going to remove it from the cells where there is no content. Scoot this over a little. Those are cells A9, A14, A18. And then I'm going to say no fill to those, just like you had it before. Now when I have that fill color applied, then I go to Sunday sales and I'm going to take a look at the theme. So you're going to have to go along with me on this one. I don't have my class notes with me. I don't have my lecture notes, but I think we applied Metropolitan to the Sunday sheet. So I'm active on Sunday and I'm going to apply this theme here, Metropolitan. Okay, if I hop to Monday and I click within the table, well, actually you can be anywhere for the theme, sorry. You can click in themes and we're going to apply parallax, that one. We're going to apply this one here to the Monday sheet. Now you can be anywhere within the sheet to apply this theme, but where we notice most of the changes are in the table because that's what's holding the color and things like that. So that's how then let's take a look. So our Monday theme is similar, but our Sunday theme is similar, but a little different. And then when we go to weekly sales, see how the change in themes affects this sheet as well. So that work is really well done. Now there's one other thing, you didn't email me about this, but I'm noticing the graphic in cell A1. You're very close, but we need to make it even smaller. Click and drag that right-hand corner. Oh boy, it doesn't want to snap to the grid for A1. It wants to be too big or too little. Okay, so I'm going to hit undo. Ignore that. Click once on your graphic, go to the Picture Tools Format tab under the Align command. I can see that you have Snap to Grid turned on. I'm going to click to turn it off. And the reason I'm turning it off is because your graphic doesn't want to sit in A1. It's overlapping with the content in A2. So Snap to Grid's not working. It's just snapping too much or too little. So turn it off and then get that graphic to sit in cell A1. And I'm not sure exactly why, but I think it's because the height of your row 1 maybe is a little bit too small for it to handle the snapping to that cell. But that's okay. What the skill we're trying to get at here is your ability to resize the graphic. And we're using Snap to Grid just so that you can get a feel for it. So once you get that logo to be a nice size, then you can go back, turn on Snap to Grid, and make it bigger and smaller so you get a feel for, see how it snaps based on the height of the row and the width of the column. Just get a feel for Snap to Grid and then turn it off again to get your graphic to actually fit into cell A1. All right, email me again if you have any questions. Good luck.